Good day, guys. Welcome to SMP. So, today we are going to learn about some SMP concepts. Yeah, actually, some. Some because I'll be not telling all because some are the secrets and people are making money using SMP. Okay, so the key point is what is SMP? SMP is nothing but simple momentum and patterns trading strategy. Okay, so SMP, simple momentum and patterns trading strategy. So why I had actually made this particular course? The reason is how you can actually trade by using simple momentum patterns. These are nothing but the institutional patterns. How is exactly the institutional order block is found? How I actually make from that, how I actually deceive retailers, how I actually deceive the retail traders and make money like you. Yeah, absolutely. You would be that because the momentum and the institutional patterns combines SMP. Okay, so first of all, we are going to learn the first pattern that is QM pattern, that is Quasimodo patterns. So the first pattern is a Quasimodo pattern. So let's see what is a Quasimodo pattern. So in the Quasimodo pattern, here you'll be seeing the price is coming down. We'll be seeing this first of all a Quasimodo buy, that is QM buy. So this is nothing but a QM buy. So let's see. This is a price action coming to us downside. I'll be also giving you price action for free, absolutely for free. Okay, so let's go over here. So this is nothing but we can say this as an low, this as an high. I'm sorry, this is an high, this is low, high, low, low, and this as an high, high. Okay, so when price makes low, high, low, low, and directly and high, high, so there are two chances. Okay, so first of all, I'll be telling you that there are two chances. Two chances. Okay, so which are the chances? So first of all, this would be a zone, like this is a resistance and resistance becomes support. We can call it as an RBS, exactly. Resistance becomes support. This would be a point, and the second point is by QM buy. This is a QM buy. So there are 2 points. We have to mark here two zones. The first zone is this, and the second is this. Most probably, market will go from this zone. There are major chances. It will deceive you over here, and it will go up from this particular point, from this particular low. Okay, so let's assume that this is a H1 time frame. Okay, so this is an H1 time frame, and will be okay. So this is an H1 time frame, and we can say that this is an H1 time frame. Okay, so when you had seen uh, on H1 time frame a QM buy, you would be seeing the QM buy in 15 minute, 30 minute, H4, H1, 2 hour, any. Okay, so let's assume that we had plotted the QM buy pattern on H1 time frame. Okay, so what is the next step? What to do next? Okay, so let's go first of all on which time frame, on 15 minute, on 15 minute, or we can say 30, or we can say M5 time frame. Okay, so what is this or? Mainly this or means, let's see. So when market actually retracing like this, when market is actually retracing towards downside like this. And in SMP, we actually trade retracement. We trade correction. That's important because we are not those who catch a falling knife. We are not those. So absolutely, we only trade retracement, or we can say correction. SMP SMP only trades correction. Okay, so we only trade the correction. We are not trading a like a impulsive move. We are not. Absolutely not. We are only buying at the bottom or selling at the top. That's simple. Very simple. So this is an H1 time frame. We had plotted our zone. Oh, sorry. We had plotted our QM pattern on H1 time frame. Okay. So what is the next step? Next step is that what we have to do is that we have to plot, as you can see, this would be a 15 minute, 30 minute or 5 minute. So what we have to see, this is a crucial point. No one will tell you this because I had plotted this, I had made the research, and I had done this. Okay. So what is next? What to do next? So next, this would be your M15 or M30 time frame or M5 time frame. And what we have to do is that this is a left shoulder. Okay, so this is a left shoulder. We have to see a zone. We have to go, first of all, how we have to go, how I actually plan the zone planning. Yeah, I will not telling the zone planning because zone planning is a secret again, is a secret how to exactly draw the zone, how the zone will work exactly, how the institutional order blocks are there. That is all in this supply and demand. Okay, supply and demand chapter. So the next is that what you have to see. So this is a left shoulder and this is a rally based rally. I'll be telling you the rally based rally, drop based drop, drop based rally, rally based drop in this video only. Okay. So don't worry. So what we have to see is that first of all, when we had plotted this H1 time frame QM by, what we have to do is that we have to go on 15-minute, 30-minute or 5-minute time frame for seeing this left shoulder would be parallel to this rally based rally. You would be seeing this rally based rally over here exactly parallel to this, or you can see over here as well. Okay, so there are two chances. You can see the rally based rally over here on this resistance rally, or you would be seeing the rally over here. So there are two chances, over here or here. We don't know how exactly price reacts. It depends. Okay. So actually it depends on price, where price is going. So we have to plot. First of all, we have seen on H1 time frame we had plotted QM buy. Next, we have to go on 15-minute or 30-minute or 5-minute. We have to go in decreasing order. Decrease. Descending order. Okay. So we can see over here. So the first point is we can see over here, or we can see over here as well. These are the 2 points where you would plot a rally based rally. Okay. So after plotting this rally based rally in smaller time frame, like smaller than you got on QM, what we have to do is this. As I had told you in the at the first only, because we only trade retracement. So we'll be looking for a correction. Exactly, a correction. Correction, and we'll be buying from this zone. Okay, so we'll be buying from exactly from this zone. From this zone. And in SMP, there are 1 minute time frame confirmations. There are, I think so, 5 to 6 confirmations. If those confirmations are only formed on the zone, then only we are trading. Otherwise, we are not taking a trade, because these are the institutional confirmation. You can say that this would be SMC, smart money concept confirmations. So we only trade those 5 to 6 confirmation when market comes on our zone. And if those confirmation, yeah, we are waiting for any confirmation from those 5 to 6 confirmation, and if any of them is formed, we are taking the trade. That's simple it is. Okay, so what will be your first TP? Your first TP will be this point. I'll be marking with this green. Yeah, your first TP will be this. This would be around 1 as to 41. That means you had, yeah, absolutely 1 as to 1. After that, you can trail or you can book your profit. But as per my view, this is your first, and the second is this high. This high is the second. Till then, you have to trail, or you can do one thing, set your TP and leave it. That's simple. But trailing is the one thing. Why we trail actually? I actually always trail. I don't I don't close. Actually, the reason is, for example, if I had trailed and my trailing SL got 100, no problem with that. I'm still in profit. Okay, I'm still in profits. But if I had not trailed, let's say, and if the price has gone towards my TP and reversed back and hunted my SL, who is who is losing? Me. So the most important thing is trading is that be safe and play the game. That's simple. Be safe. First thing is be safe. No one will tell you this. Be safe, then trade. That's simple. Okay. So this is our QM buy pattern. You are going to trade the QM buy like this, and you would be seeing. Okay. So first of all, you will be seeing this, and this on H1 time frame. Okay. So this on H1 time frame, and this on the smaller time frame, and you would be seeing on H4 time frame, you would be seeing a strong engulfing. Yeah, absolutely. Strong engulfing. Like this. That means this is a, okay, so I will be telling you this. Wait a minute. This is a smaller bearish candle of red color, and this is a bullish candle of green color. Okay. So this will happen in H4 time frame, and this will happen. This price action will happen. This candlestick will happen in H4 time frame, and this price action will happen in H1 time frame. And this is a deeper confirmation. You can take the confirmation by going on M5 or M1 time frame. As I actually trade with the confirmations, yeah, I actually trade confirmation. So this is a first pattern named QM buy. The name of this pattern is QM buy, Quasimodo buy. Yeah, buy pattern. This is one of the institutional pattern. You can say one of a institutional pattern. This is one of the institutional pattern. Okay, so let's go and see what is a QM sell. Okay, so the next is a QM sell. So let's see. This is the high. Market is making high highs and high lows, high highs and high lows. This is a high and this is a low. What market has done? Breaked, come to this left shoulder, gone down. This is a QM sell. Okay, so this is an H1 time frame again, assuming this is in high, this is in low, this is in higher high, and this is in lower low. Where we have to take the sell? Always matters. This is a point where we are going to take the sell. Okay, so same thing, exactly same thing like QM buy. Okay, So first of all, this we are assuming this as an H1 time frame, and let's see the H4, sorry, M15, M30, and 500. Okay, so this is a again drop based drop. Wait a minute. Okay, so price may make this again the same thing over here. Price may make a drop based drop to this exactly to the left shoulder, or this would be over here. Okay, so there are two chances, exactly to the left shoulder or by taking the support towards this. Two chances, exactly. So this how the QM cell works. Okay, so when we are going to take the trade, that is the main thing. We are waiting for the price to do the correction and come to this drop base drop. This is drop base drop. Again, price will come over here. We are going to sell from this particular level. Again, sell from this particular level. Okay, so this is the thing. This we are going to plan the sell from this particular point. Okay, so how you are going to take the trade? This is the actual planning. H1 time frame, QM cell, M15, M30 or M5 time frame. This is a drop based drop. You have to look for drop based drop exactly parallel to this, or market would make a drop based drop by making a breaking a support like this drop based drop. Okay, so you will be seeing the H4 time frame like this, a bullish candle and a bad bearish candle like this. So this is nothing but a H4 time frame. This would be H4 time frame. This is H1 and the this time. How we have to go from H4, H1, M30, M15, M5. That's it. This is a deeper confirmation. How I actually trade. And you can take the trades on the basis of your M5 or M1 time frame. It depends on you because in SMP again I am telling that there are 5 to 6 confirmations. On the basis of that confirmation, when market comes on our zone, we are taking a trade. And we actually trade. We didn't book. We book some and we trade. That's the game. Okay, so this is nothing but a QM cell. Okay, this is how the QM cell works. Okay, so let's go and see the next pattern, that is QMM, Quasimodo manipulation pattern. Okay, so this is our first Quasimodo pattern. So this is nothing but a failure of QM buy. Yeah. So first of all, what we had learned how to actually trade QM buy, and now we are learning how to trade a failure of QM buy. You must know both the things. When it fails, what it makes, then trade, or when it makes, it reacts, trade. Yeah, absolutely. Both ways. Okay, so how it is mainly, how the structure is mainly. So this was a low, this was a high, this is again low, low, and this is high, high. Okay, so as we had planned our trade from this particular level, right? And our first TP was this, right? That would be a 2s2, yeah, 2s2, 1s2, 1s2, 3, any this high point. This was the first. So what the market has done, it has come over here and again dropped towards downside. Okay, so this is a failure of QM buy. So how to trade? How to actually trade this? Let's see. Okay, so when market breaks this particular level and makes this particular level like this, I will be making this structure. Okay, so this is a high, this is a low, high, high, low, low, and it comes over here and it drops down from this particular zone. This is how it works. This is a low, this is a high. That means a QM buy turns QM sell. Very good. So let's assume that we had found this pattern on H1 time frame again. Assumption is H1 time frame. Okay. So assumption is H1 time frame, and what we have to do again is that we have to go on smaller time frame. Smaller time frame like this. These are the smaller time frames. And what we have to see? We have to see a drop based drop over here. You would be seeing the drop based drop over here or over this point. This point, no, this point is a key point. Over this point, a drop based drop, you will be seeing after break, market will fall down from this level, or you will be seeing a drop based drop on this particular level. So there are two regions. Okay, so let's go over here and see first of all like this how it mainly works. So high, low, high, high again. 2 points. On this level, if it comes over here, drop like this. This is the first. The second is like this. Same like QM cell. Same, exactly same like QM cell. Exactly same. Breaks, may drop, may drop. Again, market will fall. It will actually fall from that level. Sorry, I'm sorry for that. So it will actually fall from this particular level. This drop best drop or this. 2 points. Sell from two levels. There are two levels in front of you. This or this. So you can sell from this level or you can sell from this level. Okay, so these are the actual 2 points. Sell from. This is how we actually trade QMM. This is Quasimodo pattern. The more deeper, if you want to learn more deeper, welcome to SMP. This is a basics that I'm telling. Basics are the key points. The important points. If you ask me that, okay, so what you are going to actually teach and what we have to apply. We have to apply all the shit that I'll be teaching you in SMP. Okay, so you have to apply all the shit. If you'll be saying me that, no man, I will be trading only QM, only like QM buy, QM sell, Quasimodo, then you have to actually wait for price to make this. It's not fair. I am trading on daily basis. I actually trade on daily basis. Daily. Not weekly, daily. Because if you want to trade on daily basis, you have to implement all the stuff that has been taught in SMP. All the momentum institutional patterns, chart patterns that I am going to actually teach you how to draw the order block, all the same. You have to apply this all in gold to wax very powerful in gold. You will only apply me this. This is how the QMM works. That is a failure of QM buy. Okay, so at first what we had learned, QM buy, again QM sell, QM buy failure turns QM sell. After that what we had learned, QM sell, and now we have to learn that how QM sell is turned QM buy. That is Quasimodo manipulation pattern. It is like something different, right? But this how chart works. You have to learn what to spot on the chart. Otherwise, you will be just scrolling and losing the money. Like I was actually losing. Okay, so you have to know first how to trade. Before that, you have to know first what to see on charts. That's important. So let's go and see what is QMM pattern. The next is the failure of QM sell. Okay, so this is a Quasimodo manipulation pattern again. When QM sell actually fails, we are going for QM buy. That's simple. Okay, so let's assume that we had formed this pattern, we had found this spot pattern on H1 time frame. And what we have to do is that we actually sell from this level, right? We actually sell from this level. So if I had taken the sell at this level, I told you the first tip is this. The next will be trailed. As we trail in SMP, we didn't lose. Why we actually, yeah, we lose. We lose. But in the management, we actually take only three trades. And if these three trades go in profits, we trade again. No problem with that. What is over trading mainly? Over trading is that you are regardlessly trading without any risk management plan. No, your bullshit mindset is telling you, oh, trade, 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 trade. This is not the way. This is not an actual way. Okay, so let's go and see how to exactly plan the trade on QMM. Okay, so this is an H1 time frame, and you can see market has broken this particular point, made the high, again come to retracement. As we trade retracement, we are planning the buy from this level. Okay, how to exactly plan? So this is a H1 time frame. As you know that we go on smaller time frame than that time frame where the picture of pattern is formed. Okay, so again, this turn to QMY. Again, two scenarios, this and this. There are actually two scenarios. Actually, two. Okay, so this is a rally. This is a rally. Okay, so this is how we actually trade. Okay, so let's go over here. And this is a M30 or M15 or M5 time frame where the rally is formed. So you have to take the smaller time frame confirmation and plan the trade accordingly. That's simple it is. When it comes for retracement, we are trading the retracement. I am telling you that when price comes over here, this is the move. When price comes over here, we are planning the trade, planning the SL, and this is how we actually trade. This is the way to trade market. It's the actual way. Simple. Very simple. You can learn trading in very simple way by using the bullshit indicators. Why to use that? Which are making you too much confusing. Because if you are not knowing that indicators forms when the price actually forms after when the price is formed, indicators reacts. So if you want to react with price, react first. Indicator traders will react after when you book the profits, they book the losses. Simple. That's simple it is. So this how we are going to plan a QMM pattern when the QM cell is failed. So that's all for this video. I'll be explaining you the remaining patterns in the next video. So stay tuned with SMP Trader. Bye bye.